Good morning! We are here at the Philippine Expo in Ueno, Tokyo. So the event started yesterday, today, and it will end tomorrow, Sunday. So this is the booth of Smiles, a mobile remittance. Ay, ang ganda! Good morning! So this is the Decom Money Express. So we're still very early. It's 8:30, so hindi pa nagbubukas lahat ng booth. Sarado pa sila. And this is the Keyland Building on Committee. And dito po yung aming assembly area for the media partner, the Philippine Expo. Meron tayo dito. Wow! Philippine Dance Fitness. The Filipino Homes Global Partners. So early. And this is the main stage. Marami po tayong aabangan mga program ngayon until in the evening. Abangan nyo po si Miss Beverly. Also, we have a Miss Philippine Expo all here at the Philippine Expo 2024. Here we have Halo Halo, Filipino food, Halo Halo, good for summer. Mga Filipino food cravings natin, nandito lahat. Of course, we have here the yakitori, Japanese food also is available. This is the Kitchen Manila, Western Union, also a remittance company. You can join the raffle so that you can have the chance to win these prizes. Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon. Pantoko Carinderia. Paradise, delicious foods, and of course andito rin ang Anas Trading. Pwede na kayang bumili ngayon para ano, kasi mamaya madami ng tao. We have a lot here of Philippine bread, Philippine pan de coco, the inside mada, of course the Philippine pandesal, Spanish bread, and a lot of Philippine food. And so naghahanda pa lang sila. Abangan pa natin mamaya yung mga food display. Ang ganda ng ano ng Smiles. Ang ganda ng kanilang booth. Parang Christmas. And on this side naman po, still mga food stall. So nagpe-prepare pa lang sila kasi masyado pa pong maaga. We have here also the Immigration Services Agency. O sarado pa yung Obentuan Food Barbecue. We have here the Frontier Japan Association. If you want some beer, some halo-halo, some kakikori. And of course, the ayaya, halo-halo, and some spaghetti and fried chicken. And dito naman yung the Filipino street foods owned by Basta Hero Kaoshi. Hello po.
Hala!
Becky Mom.
Hello!
Ay, Kajunay.
Hi, Mami!
Andito pala mga vlogger.
Mami!
Good morning.
Irashay na, sir. Good morning. Kaya din ang balot.
Opo. Ay, ala, ang ganda naman ng ano.
Di ba? O si Cherry, potato chips and RK, no?
Meron po tayo dito ng Jaguar. And Nenny's Kitchen. Naku, ang sasarap ng mga ano. Nakakagutom. Of course, the Kyodai Rinitan. Andito sa pinakabungad ang ito. Yakisoba. Of course, yung ayu. Strawberry mango. Pista sa Pilipinas, the Philippine street food. Prinsesa, Half Pinoy. Tayong free t-shirt. Hello po! Smile. Ay, pakita ko. Medium. Medium. Medium.
Medium. Imo.
Hi.
Padala.
Which is, kung
Ako,
mapili, ma'am.
ang laki-laki ng pinadala. Para sa Mali doon. Thank you!
Hi.
Yay! Dito and smiles! Bye-bye! Pahingin na lang yan. Sari-sari. Meron din po tayong durian. Thank you.
Tatlo.
Yay! Chicken. Grilled chicken. Lumpia. Lumpia po?
Lumpia.
Ito po.
Kikiam.
Kikiam. Kikiam. Saka na? Ano? Fish?
Yes, yes.
And fish ball. Fish.
Excited ba kayo bukas?
Bukas ka lang ngayon.
Yes! Maybe you can say a word to everybody to welcome them tomorrow as well and for our meet and greet later.
Good, Madela.
Hello everybody!
Hi!
Welcome to the 2024 Philippine Expo here in Tokyo, Japan. It's my great honor and pleasure to stand before you here today in this magnificent gathering that symbolizes the strong bond and friendship between Japan and the Philippines. As we embark on this exciting event, we celebrate not only our vibrant cultures and rich histories of our nations, but also the shared values and aspirations that bring us together. This expo serves as a testament to the spirit of cooperation and mutual respect that has flourished between our countries. We have a lot of activities lined up and that showcase the best of Japan and the Philippines. So I encourage each one of you to immerse yourself in the cultural exchange, to learn, to share, and to build lasting friendships. So again, welcome to the Philippine Expo and I will see you tomorrow.
Kay Number 2 champion, Marilyn Jerusalem-san. Thank you very much for gracing us with your presence. Alright. And Wise Estabilio, of course, our special guest for today later on as well. Thank you very much as well. Okay.
集まっていただき誠にありがとうございます。ウェルカムです。皆さんこの会場でフィリピンを体験してそして楽しんで帰ってください。それでは開会宣言します。
Thank you very much, Chairman, for that wonderful opening message. Sa, Ni, Ichi, Viva Philippine Expo 2024! Woo! Thank you very much from Japan and the Philippines. Nihon Filipino Buhay na minasama, arigatou gozaimashita. Please give a big round of applause for our distinguished guests.
Hello po. Hello vlog. Ay, pastil. Mango. Ala. Sarap ng mango. Magkano po sa mango? 600. 600 isa. Ay. Sarap nga. Kahit sunumama mo lang kainin, di ba? Sarap. Ayan, punta na kayo dito guys. Davao Fair. Mamaya po, sir. Ano po yan, sir?
Durian bar.
Ah, durian bar. Ay, ang sarap. Mango yema. May mga ano din, costume. Binibenta rin po yan? Ah, display lang po. Ah. Magkano po sa t-shirt? 2,000 yen. 5,000. 2,500.
Ito may black tea.
Oh,
500.
300, 500.
Ito po, isa.
Isa nito.
Pwede po, ano, pabalot. So, masarap. Mochi and ayu.
Nandun daw sila.
Andi. Sir JP, dito na ako sa likod.
Ay, ito.
Hello po. Ay,
Ito.
Ma'am Bas. Ala, ang ganda-ganda. Gandang Pilipina. Hello po, Ma'am Tinay. Mga ano, mga malakas ng Nagoya. Nag-video.
Ice cream lang. Okay.
Saging pa, ginanggang.
Ginanggang daw, ginanggang.
Made by RK9 Road.
Di bali isa pa. Kasi dalawa yung...
Hoy, ito nakayo tayo. Tignan niyo, nakayo tayo.
Tayo dito, dinuguan.
Kinain ko na isa eh.
Our Little Princess Expo 2024 Miss Photogenic is none other than candidate number 1, Megan Katsumata. Congratulations.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Photogenic is Miss Megan Katsumata. To give the Sasha, we have Miss. Congratulations, Megan Katsumata. And our best in gown is Miss Ayana Villar.
Hawaii! Ang cute!
Best in gown is Ayana Villar. 4-3 and smile. Award will be receiving 10,000 worth of gift card and certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is Angelique. And she will be getting 30,000 worth of gift card and certificate plus a crown. Ladies and gentlemen, our Little Princess Philippine Expo 2024 is Miss Ayana Villar. Ladies and gentlemen, these year's Little Princess Philippine Expo 2024 winner is Ayana Villar. Okay. Okay.
Salamat po. Halo-halo. Sacho. Sacho din. Kawaii. Ilan mo? Ilan mo, Manche? Nice to meet you po.
Instead of love, do you mean now I'm the one? Go please, go, you're right.
This towel very mahal.
2,500 yen. Okay, after this live, you can buy. Salamat po, mabay na kabayan! Thank you po! Umuwi na ako!
Thank you. I'm very slim boy.
Tao, gagamitin ko, pagkuha ng tae, itatapon sa basurahan. Kasi walang pagkawalan, walang magagawa. Diba? Pero bago ko iyong ginawa, may nakita na akong tae sa basurahan.
Yan!
Meron na, may tae. So tama ako.
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay lumuwi na rin. Sabay tayo mangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Bibiru. Isaw. Malamig na. Sisig. May concert dito.